So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use your camera to Google something. So like, like how you search for things on Google. Instead of typing, you use your camera. So it is called Google Lens. So of course, you go to the Google search bar. Instead of typing the thing, so let's say you have a picture of the thing or you have the thing in your hand. So you just aim your camera at the thing. So this page pops up. Then you click on that camera sign. You can see I have a coconut. Let's say I don't even know the name. So if I aim my camera on the coconut, then Google will prompt me to turn on my data because it has to be done online. So now I'm going to turn on my data. So once my data is turned on, so Google will prompt me to click on this white button. So when I click on it, then Google will proceed to process the image or the picture or the object in front of it. So you can see it is processing. So immediately Google brings out the name and all the information that has to do with that particular object or that particular thing. So you can see it's a fast and easy way to Google something without typing it, just in case you do not know the name. So guys, I would like you to try it out. This is a very, very cool app and I love it.